Whole Square ID. Today we are discussing about some of Microsoft Excel. Here you can see the insert, page layout, formula, data, review, view and help. At first we are discussing about insert frame. Here you can see the first is periodic tables. After clicking periodic tables, we can select the name or serial number or field we need for a query. Just select it and then you can see our this is like a wheel. To click vet total wheel, then you can see here our Excel sheet as a wheel. Do it for recommended profit table and also make it a table like this. This is a table like database table. And we also design it like a chart. Just clicking charts and select a design from here. There you can see our chart is like this, and we can also change it color. Like first I resize it, then you can see just click like this, then you can see our design a chart, a line chart. I just remove it, and we can also add filter, then we can also add text, symbol and many things more. And then we are going for page layout. Here you can see at first themes, so we just click on themes, then change any themes as we want, and we also change the color, we also change the font, and we also change the effect of writing. And here you can also change the margin, page setup like margins, orientation, size, print area, page break, background, and also here arrange. And here you can see the function formulas. Here you can see some functions type and defined names, formula, editing. And here you can see the data field. In the data we can get and transform data and query and add connections. Here you can see data tools like forecast, outline, and also here review. And in the review we can check our spelling and correct it. If we make a mistake in our writing, then also do it. Workbook statics. Here you can see the more function are available in there. Then we are move for view. Then you can see the you can see the view of our table, and we also make macros from here. And here the help button, and here the profit table. And we can now we are see the home. Here you can see home. We can save our data like this. We can also, by clicking save, we also can save in another folder, like just click in save as and click the folder as we want to save. Then here you can see the printing system. I can see the print preview, and we also print by clicking this button. We also change the page, how many pages I want to print. Here you can see the share button. We can share our database like for using email. Here you can see the other exporting system like PDF, XPS. I hope you guys enjoy my video, and please like, comment and share, subscribe.